Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today's day was a good day for option buyers, especially Nifty, wherein we saw a steady upward movement. The bulls were totally in control, whereas in case of Bank Nifty, the initial first hour was showing upside movement, followed by a slow downside movement, downways to sideways movement, and the last half an hour or 1 hour, roughly 30 minutes, last 30 minutes were a recovery. So we'll take a look at both the charts for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty daily charts, and then we will see how we can trade Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow. It's important to keep in mind that we have interim budget which is just 2 days away, and we have two final sessions before this interim budget. So it will be interesting to see how we can trade Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow. But before that, a small disclaimer: all the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and are in no way a buy or sell recommendation. Any investing or trading decision has to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty chart on Nifty spot chart on daily time frame, and as you can see here, we have a very bullish Morubozu candle. Uh, which is clearly indicating the bulls are in total control. Now, and as we see, it is trying to retest the top of the bottom purple channel, and it took almost took support at the mid of the channel, and then it is now trying to retest the top. So well, if the market opens gap up tomorrow, I think we will see some resistance at 21,877 levels, 21,877 to 21,888 levels, and from there we may see some rejection or selling pressure. If the market opens gap down, then in that case, once the levels at 21,766 breaks, then we have a good scope for 21,888 levels to be retested, which happens to be the top of this particular purple channel. If the market opens flat and continues its upward trend as today, then again the levels seem to be the same, 21,888 to 21,933, from where we may see some selling pressure. If the market opens with a huge gap down, in that case the level 21,422 will be crucial, and if this level breaks, then we may again see levels 21,200 being retested, right? So let's take a quick look in 15 minutes chart to see how how Nifty played today. So if you see this particular trend, Nifty was always showing bullishness. There was never a sign, or there was never a candle which suggested otherwise, that bears are in control. There were some instances where there was a slight profit booking, I would believe, from the bulls, but overall it was a bullish trend, and this is expected to continue tomorrow as well. However, since the interim budget is just round the corner, I think looking at the candles as well, just take a look at this candle. This was a very big bearish Morubozu candle, followed by a bullish candle. Then it was a bearish candle, and then again today it was a bullish candle. So we have been getting alternate candles for bearish and bullish nature. So it kind of suggests that we may see again a high volatility and range bound session tomorrow as well. I mean the next two trading sessions as well, and the range will be between 21,933 or max 21 yeah, 21,933, and today's low, I think, which is 21,422 levels. So that is the range in which I think Nifty will play for the next 2 days. So we have seen the levels for tomorrow, 21,6 today, 21,766 level for today, which is today's high. So if the market breaks this level tomorrow, then 21,888 and 21,933 are the levels to watch out for, where we will see some resistance and profit booking. On the downside, 21,422 is the level wherein we may see some buyers to jump in again and take the price higher to today's targets. If 21,422 does not sustain, and if the price breaks below that, then in that case we may see some levels of 21,200 also being tested. That is roughly around 21,244. Let's take a look at Bank Nifty. Out of the two, that is out of Nifty and Bank Nifty, I have always been saying that Bank Nifty is much weaker, Nifty is much stronger. And the reason for that, we can see in today's candle also, right? For Nifty, it was a on a daily chart, it was a perfect bullish Morubozu candle, a long bullish Morubozu candle. However, in case of Bank Nifty, we see it's still a bullish candle, but it has a long upper wick, which clearly suggests there is selling pressure at higher price. Now, also on a 15-minute chart, we can see that the initial 1 hour for Bank Nifty was a bullish momentum followed by uh, downside and more of a downside to steady movement, and then again in the last 30 minutes there was a up move. uh, Anyone who would have uh, went ahead with a sell side trade here would have experienced losses, because though the movement seems to be there, the movement was very slow, and I think that would have cost them the premium decay. The premium decay would have cost them the profits, right? For these traders. However, in the very first half, if anyone would have went ahead with a buy side trade, or in the last 30 minutes, which I think is very much uh, uncertain to go ahead with, because this particular momentum in the last 30 minutes was not expected. Even the OI data was not in support of this particular movement. Anyways, apart from that, the first 1 hour, I think if any trader would have traded Bank Nifty on the buy side, then definitely they would have reaped good profits. On the daily time frame, we see that it has taken support and it is trying to now retest the top of this purple channel, right? So if today's highs, which are 45,666 break, then in that case we may see levels of 45,933 being retested again. On the lower side, 45,111 is a crucial level. If the 45,111 level breaks, then in that case we may see 45,000 levels also retested, and further downfall beyond that. In my opinion, Nifty is more stronger, Bank Nifty is more weaker. So in if I have to if we have to trade Nifty, this is just a suggestion that if we have to trade Nifty, going on the buy side trade is much preferable as against going for uh, buy side trade in Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, I would prefer going on a sell side trade, that is sell on rise. Also, another reason why I'm saying this is because if you see this, uh, this particular price action from this green candle, this was a high, this was a low, then this was a high, swing high, this was a swing low. Now this today's candle's high has broken the previous swing high, which clearly indicates there could be uh, a reversal, or there could be more bullishness in the market for Nifty. On the other hand, for this Bank Nifty, the swing high is still intact. So this swing high, that is at around uh, 46,622, at around 46,622 levels, this swing high is still intact. And once this swing high gets crossed, then in that case we may experience some more bullishness in Bank Nifty. Till then, I think it's going to be sell on rise or taking downside trade for Bank Nifty. For Nifty, again, my view has changed from uh, bearish to neutral. I mean, from neutral bearish to neutral bullish now. So I would expect Nifty to trade on the upper side. Right. Uh, let's take a look at Dow Jones to see how it is, where it's trading. Today it's very late. I was out for some work. Anyways, Dow Jones is currently trading at 38,210, which is well above the 38,100 levels, which we have been talking about. 38,100 and 37,400 were the levels wherein this consolidation had happened. And after breaking out from it, initially we thought it was a false breakout when this was retested, and again then the price has been sustaining above 38,100, which suggests more bullishness into the US markets, which definitely will have ripple effect on Indian markets, especially Nifty. We may see gap up openings due to this up move, and uh, we may also see bullishness in the market. So that's it from my side. Do let me know in comments whether this analysis is helping you or not, whether you were able to trade, and whether you were able to book profits or losses, and also what else you would like me to talk about or analyze about, right? I'll also try to include some macroeconomic factors. Try to see if I'm able to get information about those in my video, so that uh, all the information is available in a single video for the traders, right? Apart from that, if there are any comments, do let me know. Do like, do share, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Just before we close, a small disclaimer again. Making money in stock markets is not easy, and there's no shortcut to make money. However, over time, with continuous improvements and with patience, we can definitely make profits in stock markets. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.